Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Garmin Forerunner 245 smartwatch. In case you're having any issues like the watch is not connecting to your phone, or it keeps disconnecting from your phone, or it's just glitching in any way like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you're selling it or something like that, or you just want to start anew, you can do this. It's real easy to do. All we need to do first of all is just make sure our watch is turned off. And once our watch is turned off, we're just going to come in and we're going to press this button and hold them simultaneously. We're just going to press and hold. And we're going to continue to press and hold until the logo, the screen turns on, the watch turns on, the logo appears on the screen. As soon as the logo appears on the screen, we can let go of this button and continue to hold this back button over here. And we're just going to keep holding this back button until the screen pops up with factory reset. Then we'll toggle down to confirm the yes. We'll click the yes. The phone will turn off and it will start up again as it did when it came out of the box.